Hi, welcome to the Shelly Studio, and today I am just doing an art journal page. I have all these scraps of paper and thought I would just glue them all on to this journal page and see what I can come up with. So then I decided to add a little paint to it, just to kind of blend things in a little bit. And I think I get a little carried away with the paint, and by the end of this, I don't think we see any of the paper. It's okay, I got plenty more. So once I got this far, I decided, well, I don't know why I decided, but I decided to paint a tree using my fingers. We're gonna finger paint a tree. You know how long it takes to finger paint a tree? So long that I decided 2 fingers were better than 1. So this page isn't turning out anything like I originally planned, so I think I will do another one using my scraps. I have so many scraps I could go on forever, I think. So I will probably be doing a few of these. Hope you guys enjoy them. It's just been kind of fun collaging this and just coming up with something to go on the surface. So I'm going with my Pitt Artist brush pen and doing a little shading, trying to give this a little bit more depth, make that tree trunk look a little bit more round, and maybe some shadows underneath those leaves on the trees. And yes, I did put a few random branches up there. I think I like the tree trunk better than the tree. So this is gold. I thought it'd be fun just to add some shimmer and a little bit of highlights to everything with some gold. So I felt like this needed something else, so I am adding just those little carrot figures. This makes this tree look very ginormous. But I think it adds a little bit more interest to the page. Of course, every art journal page needs a little bit of writing, right? So I added a little quote here. I think it says, "In every walk with nature, one receives," I think it says, "far more than one seeks." Yeah. Anyway, I hope you liked this. Please let me know by giving me a thumbs up, commenting, share this with your friends, and if you'd like to see more from me, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.